Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Supposing a country 7 times smaller than its neighbor is faced with the choice. Either you surrender or you fight for your freedom till death. What will we do? I ask myself this question. And my belief is, La ilaha illallah, there is no God but one. And we will fight.